Guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 compatibility warning. GPU is not supported, so here's what you're gonna do. Go to search, type in settings. Once in settings, you want to go to display, scroll a bit till you find GPU or graphics. Click on it. Now you want to go here, add an app, and you want to either add the desktop app, or if you have it through Microsoft Store, you want to add it through Microsoft Store. After it's on the list here, you want to expand it, and you want to make sure it's set to high performance, and you want to exit out of this, go back to here, open the NVIDIA app or AMD app, go to drivers, and then download the game ready drivers, which were like latest and greatest. Also, while you're in here, you want to click on system and turn off, make sure that G-Sync is off. If it's on, you want to turn it off. And also go to settings and turn off the NVIDIA overlay, which can cause issues. After you've done all of that, you can also, I'll show you now for Steam, you can, if you have it through Steam, you want to find it on your library list. You want to click manage, click browse local files, right click on it, click properties, compatibility, and you want to make sure that this is ticked. Disable full screen optimization and run this program as an admin, and you want to click apply. Okay, and you want to exit out of this, and now you want to go to search one more time, and now you can do the same for the Xbox app. You want to open this PC, and now go to local disk C, go to Xbox games, and you want to, it will say here Forza Horizon 6. You want to open it, go to content, and here you'll find like a program. It looks like this, and you want to right click on it, click properties, go to compatibility, and click disable full screen optimization, and run this program as an admin as well. And then click apply, then click OK, and hopefully that should fix your issue. Also, what you want to do is go to search, type in device manager, and you can find your graphics card from here. Click display adapters, and it will say your graphics card. So you want to copy this into Google Chrome, and you want to type in your graphics card and the driver if you don't have the NVIDIA app installed. And you basically click here and type in the same graphics card, or whichever version you're using or playing, and then which Windows or Linux you're using. And now it will say here game ready drivers and studio drivers. You want to download the game ready drivers. You can also get the NVIDIA app if you don't have it already. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you guys. That's how you fix Forza Horizon 6 compatibility warning, GPU not supported. If this video helped you guys, like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.